Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Lancia Delta S4. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium from the Thrill Climber sets, the fourth car of the set, and looks like a nice rally car. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Lancia Delta S4 out of its box, and first thing first, it's finished in a nice white paint with a striking color. Looks really nice. Design theme looks really nice on this one. Paint theme actually. Designers always look nice on the Deltas. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. You can see detailed headlamp, detailed grille, Pirelli badges, and this lower splitter. I didn't know that rally cars had this like really big ones, but well, it is there. You also got this intake in the hood because Integrales were not the Delta. I'm not saying Integrale. The Deltas were turbocharged engines, so you got this intake for your turbo. And the paint looks really nice with white and red and Lancia badge on the hood. Some scoops here on the roof. Number 7 Lancia. I don't know what that is. Now, coming to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you have got this nice looking wheels with rubber tires. Number 7 Lancia. Small window, how you see on the rally cars. Mirror. Oh, I missed the windshield wipers from the front. A big cowl though. If you look at this cowl, it's really big. Looks like the entire front end opens up. I see some hinges here. Turn indicator on the side. A lot of sponsors. Brembo, Hella, more. You got mud flaps, which again look nice. The front and back. Well, for a rally car, they do look nice. That's a 2-door. So you see the door here with a smaller window, just like any other rally car. Looks like a big spoiler in the back. So let's move there and see. So yes, it's a big spoiler, but a very different spoiler. It's not like you'd see on a regular hatch. Exhaust on the bottom. I don't know if it might be a rear engine car. I'm not sure. Looks like what's those radiators? Might be an engine car, rear engine car. I'm not sure. Detailed tail lamps looks good. Lancia, Pirelli, and the exhaust. This comes from the bottom. You can see the exhaust can. Mud flaps in the back too. On the passenger or co-driver side, looks almost identical. Now, this is the interesting part. It does have a roll cage inside, I can see that. But I don't know if it has an engine in the back. Let me see if the flashlight, my handy flashlight, can put some light on it. Looks like there is a radiator. So I'm not sure if the engine is there or just the radiator for weight distribution. I'm not sure about that. Maybe a Google search will solve that issue. Yeah, even I don't know. It says Lancia Racing on the top. This is how it looks from the bottom. And overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting. Looks really great. Has great details. Obviously, a good part of the set. Yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.